Good morning, Way Fam from Silver Lake, Washington.
I'm Ashley, this is my husband Josh. Welcome to our channel.
And these are our friends, The Endless Adventure.
Hi y'all, how's it going?
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's
Do
go.
it now.
Let's go.
Do it.
Come on. All right, we are headed off to the Ape Caves in Washington. We gotta show these guys what's up with lava tunnels. In the 1950s, this cave was discovered by a guy who was doing some logging. He almost drove his tractor right into a hole here. And then he brought some friends out the following year to help explore it. The guys who helped explore it originally were known as the Saint Helens Apes. They were like a exploratory outdoor boys club, basically. Why they were called the Apes, we're not sure, but I think it's because they were on the lookout for Bigfoot, the local legend, Sasquatch, the big hairy ape guy who runs around these hills from Idaho to Alaska or somewhere in between. Basically, you've heard of Bigfoot. Anyways, these caves are not necessarily named after him, even though we thought they were.
I told him that.
Ashley led me to believe that was the case. But we are walking now up to the upper entrance of the Ape Cave. It's more of a tunnel. It was formed by lava, and I'll tell you guys about that in a second.
Cave, huh?
Yep.
A little shorter.
Found it.
Should we name this one Eric Cave?
Yes.
We call it Eric Falls Cave.
Eric Falls.
Now, admittedly, they're going down the hardest way possible, but
we're having fun.
they're having fun.
You got it?
It's ripping my butt.
Yeah.
Hold on.
It'll do that. Get lunge forward. You got it.
Hey guys, how cool is this? I did it!
Beautiful.
Woo!
There's a hole down there, huh? Damn, that looks intimidating.
Yeah?
That's a proper little hole.
We're going down deep.
It's not big enough for a tractor, that's for sure. It's a nice set of stairs, though.
And this is where we kill you because you're our competition.
Oh, it all makes
It's a
sense.
community.
Get in the hole,
Ashley.
it said.
There, oh, nice.
I'm trying not to die.
Slide him down. I like these. I want to lick
This
them.
is just death down here. This is the darkest dark I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh, it's just climbing into the abyss.
Yeah, you just keep going down.
Yeah? Sure.
Whoa, these are slick.
Yeah, you gotta be careful on these.
All right.
Where's the big rock, Josh, to cover it up?
Oh my god, this is so dark, it's stupid. There's a big drop right there. Okay, I don't know what the fuck's going on down
It's a long staircase.
there. I'm trying to see a little bit.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for coming. What's the password to your channel?
Thanks for driving us at least this far.
We've come to the upper cave entrance. We've walked through a nice snowy path. We saw actual cougar tracks. Pretty sure it's cougar that's around here. Maybe mountain lion. I think it's cougar. And saw some bear tracks. Saw some deer tracks.
What's going on?
The cougar was the scariest thing, I think, because they'll actually stalk you. They did not stalk us. But
Terrifying. It's like
we are coming into
that's
the
the
cave
bottom
entrance
right
now.
there.
Eric and Allison
Yeah,
are
but
really
you see
enjoying
it?
this.
Crazy light.
They don't at all seem nervous or scared about the experience they're about to have.
oh, I found it. Oh. I found the floor.
All right, Eric has found the base of the cave. Let's head in.
Oh my god, this is horrible. I told you we were good at peer pressure.
You can't see shit. It's crazy. Yeah, it's 6, 7 steps to get down.
Yeah, you can see the floor. Come up dark.
This is like in movies they say absolutely do not do this. Or else you die.
This is descent.
What is down here? Oh god, there's more drop-offs. What?
Almost touched the spider.
Oh, really?
Don't touch the wall.
Ooh.
Alright, mile and a half.
The lava tunnels were formed in approximately 000 BC, that's about 2,000 years ago, by a mountain that exploded with lava. That was Mount Saint Helens, the place we were at just yesterday. So if you haven't seen that video, check that video out. We are crawling through here now, and oh, I almost just died because I'm staring into a blind light instead of looking where I'm going. And the tunnels were formed by the lava flowing through a valley. And over time, the top crust began to cool a little bit, but the center, the channel through the valley kept flowing. So the lava cooled in the top and kept flowing through the middle and created this tunnel that we're walking through now. Like 70 years ago now, it was discovered by people that we know about, and we get to explore it today.
Apes.
I don't want to eat shit in here because these rocks are so sharp.
Man, the ceiling is so sparkly. Like actual sparkles.
Oh yeah. That's pretty sweet. Gotta go down there, huh?
Mountain Man Eric, spelunking the cave forest.
Too far down. So the Ape Caves are open, I think year-round. We're here in the wintertime, and it's pretty unsafe, but really fun to do. And you don't have to bring a guide or anything, which I really love. It's a free thing to do in Washington State, and I strongly suggest doing it. It's probably my second favorite thing ever to do in Washington.
I love that it's just open and it's kind of dangerous, but you know, they let you just go for it.
Yeah, so there are areas where the ceiling has like caved in, or and so then you just have to walk around all the rocks. But then other areas, because it's lava, it just flowed through, so it's pretty smooth.
We are currently at the place where it fell.
Yeah, crawling all over the
How are you
rocks.
feeling about this experience, Allison?
Oh, you know, this is exactly what I thought was going to happen when you said let's go to a tunnel. And that's, I thought it was going to be just like this. I was hoping. So it's spot on.
Sounds like she's really
I had
enjoying
no
it.
idea. I told you. You were warned. As a kid, like coming through, it was so fun.
Oh, I believe that.
Look at how red this rock is. I'm pretty sure that's sulfurous, you know, made from sulfur. But I ain't no geologist. It sure looks cool though. Oh no, where'd they go? I'm lost. No, wait, not sulfur, probably ferric rock. So iron, ferrous oxide. That's what I'm gonna go with. Probably iron bits.
Don't disturb the water.
Wow, look at Eric. I'm feeling a breeze now. Oh, is this the cliff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shine your light up there?
Yeah, let me get a light over here for you.
Got him.
Did you do it?
We live a bay in my day. Ow, jeez.
Otherwise, you can slip. There you go. You're just gonna have to put your weight into the rope. Get a little edge to your left, tiny bit to your left. There you go.
That's the ledge.
Well, kind of. Get down, lower yourself. There you go. Now, Eric, you can have the pleasures of Allison.
Okay, oh my gosh. Got me?
2 more feet down.
2 feet away.
There you go.
Oh, that wasn't so far. It just sucks because you can't see.
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice job.
Inside this lava tunnel, we found lava rocks. Lava is called magma when it's still hot, but I think that it's called lava when it cools down. I'm not quite sure about that part, but it's really cool. And I love the little holes all throughout them. They're not super dense, they're pretty light.
I love that it's a bunch of these little pebbles everywhere.
And they're just all over the
This
ground.
whole area just littered with lava rocks.
This is their favorite spot.
So romantic.
Lava rock party. They lava each other.
Ooh. Not gonna lie, that was quite a workout. If you were thinking of coming to here after doing an exercise in the morning, don't. This is all the exercise you need. It's about a mile and a half. We went up the trail and came back down the trail. Now we're ready for lunch.
So the Ape Caves are the second largest lava tunnel in the continental US. So we just walked through those. It was really like a long way. We were in there for a long time. Also, the Ape Caves are on average 42 degrees outside. So if it's snowy and cold out here, then you know you're gonna have 42 degrees. Or if it's like 90 degrees in the summertime, you know it's gonna be chill down there. So just bring your coat.
We are hopped into the car now, warming up a little bit and having some lunch. But we thought we'd share some tips about the Ape Caves. So I'll go first. Tip number 1, wear good shoes. My shoes suck, as you saw. I think probably Eric and Allison had the best shoes. Maybe Ashley. They all had boots, basically.
Yeah, boots are good.
Yeah. Anyone else got some tips?
Maybe a headlamp so your hands.
Ooh, headlamp. That's actually a great idea.
Tip number 3, bring a jacket. It's cold in there.
Yeah.
42 degrees is chilly.
And also, I'd say if you're with kids, go to the lower caves. And if you are feeling adventurous, do the upper caves.
You will be climbing a lot, though. Also, if you do the upper caves, then use the blue diamond trail.
Right?
Walk up the trail first so that you can go in the cool entrance we went in.
All these are great tips. But it's a great place to come. One of our favorite places in Washington, really. So I hope you guys come here and enjoy it.
And it's not very far from Portland if you are visiting Portland.
There you go. All right, we have just arrived home.
Yep.
And we
We
got
have
us
friends.
some Mexican. We're actually at Ashley's parents' home at the moment. So we invited strangers into your parents' home.
Yeah.
Truly appreciate that.
We came in without them here. We're taking over. Squatters, yeah.
We had a great day taking them to the Ape Caves. Now we get to show them her home. So this is as much as you guys are going to get to see of it. We're going to sign out, have some dinner, and get to editing because we got work to
Show
do.
this thing first, though. Look at this.
Oh yeah, the burrito. So this is
insane.
the local place
The
down the street.
monster burrito.
Put your hand next to that, girl.
That is the most massive burrito I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
That's enough for all of us.
That burrito is gordita. Gordito.
Gordo.
The burrito is gordo.
Be sure to subscribe to Endless Adventure. Their link will be in the little bubble at the end. Okay, bye.
Adios, adventurers, wayfamers.
We'll see you on the road.
Woo!